Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how do you pay with Revolut Virtual Card. So it's pretty easy. So what you can do if you want to make payments with your Revolut Virtual Card, so what you can do, you can just simply add your Revolut card to your Google Wallet or Android Wallet. So how do you do that? So simply open up your Revolut. So let me log into my Revolut. So just logged in. So here you know that you can get your if you go to the cards tab here, and you will be able to see your virtual card details. So if I go to my cards tab here, my screen might get blackout due to security reasons because I'm screen recording it. So if you open up your virtual card, then you will see your virtual card details here. So what are you going to do? You're going to go to your wallet. So if you open up your wallet, so let me open mine. So okay, so if you open up your wallet here, so what is going to happen when you log into your wallet? So you can simply go to payments, and then what you can do, you can simply add your card here. So click on the add button, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to add card manually. And what I'm to do here, all I'm going to do is just input my this card information, which is my Revolut card details. So my card number, the cardholder name, and all those details here. So what I'm going to do, just type those information in, and then just add my card, and that's it. So once the card is added, so what I can do, I can simply make payments. I can simply make cashless payments through my phone here, and also online by using the same card details. I can check out with my instead of credit card, I can just check out with my virtual card with the card number and all those details. As well as in store, I can just use my wallet and then just scan it, and then get the payments done. So that's how you can actually use or pay with Revolut Virtual Card. So I hope this video is helpful to you all. I'll see you all in another video. Thank you.